Okay, let's see. It is, oh my, 6:40 in the morning. I look like hell, as you can see. I have been working all night. It's maybe not completely accurate to say I've been working all night. A lot of distractions. It's too easy when you're at home to, you know, do a couple things, solve a couple problems, and then start getting sidetracked. So anyway, I'm having a little trouble uploading some of my videos to YouTube on my phone. So, I'll work on that, provided that this baby boots up when all is said and done. Let's go ahead and turn this around. Alright, so motherboard's in there, CPU, memory, video card, hard drives, optical drives. I have, hey, get away from that. You hey, get away from that. Go on, go. You're a bad cat. Spoil you. Basically I'm just working on cable management now. As you can see, this right panel will be covering up a multitude of sins. Okay, you need to go somewhere. So, that's that. Oh, and he's definitely got to go somewhere. You want to go to your room? You want to take a nap? You want to take a dirt nap? Alright, so that's pretty much it. Got to finish wiring this up. Got to work with my semi-modular power supply, get power running to everything, and boot her up. So, at that point, we will see what happens. If I have to take this fucking thing apart again, though. Oh, man. I'll take you apart, buddy. Alright. I will, I'll start recording again when the moment of truth arrives.